Hello there, welcome once again to today's weather forecast. It's been a sunny afternoon with warm temperatures, and we expect temperature to start dropping from 3 p.m. thereabout. So the northern sector should be recording about 32 degrees Celsius for this evening. Places around Tamale to Navrongo, 32 is expected this evening, and we expect the middle sector to have a temperature of 26 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius for tonight. And then along the coastal sector, we'll see about 26 degrees Celsius along the west coast and probably 27 degrees Celsius in the eastern coast, a little warmer than the western coast of the country. We expect some few places in the eastern, western, and parts of the Ashanti regions to have thunderstorms with rains, possibly without rains later in the afternoon going into the evening. Places around Koforidia, Kemodan, Aburi, as well as areas around Takwa, Hafa, Aseni, Enchi, and then Azim and Takradi in the western coast. We'll also see some few places having thunderstorm activities, probably with or without rain. The hazy conditions will continue for the northern sector of the country, mostly in the upper parts. And by tomorrow morning, we expect relatively cool temperatures for the northern sector. Temperature could drop to about 18 degrees Celsius in the upper east region and possibly 19 degrees Celsius in the upper west region. The middle sector will have a temperature of about 23 degrees Celsius, possibly in the western parts, and then 24 degrees Celsius along the Volta, Kitekrachi, and places around. Along the coast, we expect 24 degrees Celsius in the west, and then 25 in the eastern coast, Accra, Adan, and places along the eastern coast. Misty conditions will be seen along the coast early tomorrow morning, and we also expect some fog patches to impair visibility in the eastern region, the forest areas, Akemodan, Koforidia, as well as those in the western region, Takwa, Enchi, Hafasene. We'll also have these fog patches that will impair visibility early tomorrow morning. So we advise our road users to take caution accordingly. Early tomorrow morning too, we expect the state of the sea to be calm, and for that matter, our Navy officers, including my very good friend Lieutenant Aban, and our fishermen can go ahead and go about their daily duties. Have a nice day.